Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Screen Time because that centralizes website controls for Apple devices. Once there, enable content and privacy restrictions so you can change web rules. This prevents accidental bypass. Make sure you set a Screen Time passcode if you want persistent blocks. You do this now because the system blocks are enforced at the OS level, which is far more reliable than browser-only solutions. Next, you'll access Web Content Settings to add the specific site to your blocked list. Once done with restrictions, navigate to Web Content Settings so you can pick a blocking mode. You choose Limit Adult Websites for mixed blocking or Allowed Websites only for strict whitelists. Pick the mode that fits your need. Then, under Never Allow, tap Add Website and type the full URL including https://. Make sure to add both www and non-www variants if needed. This step ensures Safari refuses connections to that address system-wide, not just in a single tab or session. You finish by confirming the blocked URL appears under Never Allow and then testing Safari to ensure the page is blocked. If the site still loads, clear Safari history and website data, then try again because cached redirects can bypass blocking temporarily. If someone can change settings, set or change the Screen Time passcode so only you can edit restrictions. Finally, restart the device to apply changes. If problems persist, re-enter the URL variants and recheck content and privacy options to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.